Yo, what's up, guys? Alfonso Solis, the Wise Portfolio here. Today, I want to share with you guys a couple ideas, a couple concepts that I have here, and the way I invest in my portfolio, and the best way that you can diversify within the just a variety of different ways that you can invest your money in. So, one of the best, greatest ways that you might know, especially because you're in a stock and finance channel, is stocks, right? Stocks, bonds, and all these commodities. However, there's also other there's a variety of different ways that you can build an income and bring more passive income, but just wealth to your family and to yourself. So one of the greatest things that you can do with stocks is diversify within growth stocks and dividend stocks. And there's two different kinds of stocks, and these are the best ones. Personally, I believe that they're the best ones because one grows and then one not only just grows at a smaller rate, if you choose the right one. However, that's the one that grows at a smaller rate also pays out a dividend on a quarterly, depending on the company. And I'll be talking a little bit about those companies and around the average of percentage that you're expected to see. And so one of the greatest alternatives to investing, which is would be saving. Right, it's a great way to keep your money, a very very secure way of storing it. People use banks, and new option, a new alternative, they're using Bitcoin, and that's what I've been here. I've been on YouTube preaching. I just started my channel. If you haven't seen the first one, I've been talking about the tweet that Elon Musk replied to about the Mars landing, the helicopter. You guys saw that? So it's a great opportunity to jump in because yesterday Dogecoin was negative 17%. It was a great opportunity to hop in if you were trying to find a good opportunity. However, thinking that it was going to go to $1 yesterday was not the greatest mindset to have because it did not happen. Obviously, it did go up in the morning, and yesterday morning it did go higher than usual, and it hit new highs yesterday. However, it was not the dollar that we were expecting after a tweet. And just because Elon Musk tweets does not mean he's in control of Dogecoin. One of the greatest opportunities that we can take is taking those profits of one of the other currencies, Bitcoin and Ethereum Classic, and diversifying within other ones. I see that Robinhood is taking Dogecoin, is taking all these, the Litecoin. It's got a number of cryptocurrency that they are taking, and you're able to sell and buy and trade on Robinhood. So that's what I use, and just because of that same reason, I'm focused on what they are focused on, not necessarily because I'm following what they say, but I'm following the majority, the market cap. Is there a seller? Is there a buyer? Am I able to hop in and hop out? Right? So liquidity and all these other things, and obviously you will be making money with crypto because depending on the person's risk, not everybody wants to put their money in a bank anymore, especially if you're a millennial and you want new alternatives to savings and you want to make money while you save. Right? Crypto is the best alternative for that, and so in the long run it's going to help out all the people that are investing, and it's just something that you want to look into. So again, dividend and growth stocks is two of the greatest ways, but you need to diversify in other ways. So what can you do? So I'm going to tell you. So this is after you already have received your income. So you're doing passive income or a job or some kind of project that you have that is making you money, dividends or whatever. That's you just received that paycheck, and you're receiving this paycheck twice every 2 weeks. So you take this money and you diversify it within this strategy, which is dividend stocks. What else? Growth stocks. In the value stocks, we have a couple of growth stocks that are going to go up, and value stocks, we have Disney, Southwest, T-Mobile, Tesla, NEO, Apple, DraftKings, Sea Limited, Virgin Galactic, Nvidia, Boeing, Chipotle, and Microsoft. Those are my picks. It doesn't mean that I'm in 100% on all of these. As a matter of fact, growth stocks are not my biggest focus. As a matter of fact, it's crypto because I believe that it has a higher return rate. Is it volatile? Is it risky? Yeah, of course. But that's where my risk management hops in, and that's the risk I'm willing to take. And so that's an opportunity that you can take. So I'm gonna be talking about the four cryptocurrencies that I will be focused on. And this again does not mean that I'm in there right now, but I do hop in, I hop out, I hop in. I do believe in them, and people will say, well, if you believe in them, just buy, hold, buy, hold, buy, hold. Well, I don't have the privilege of making $1 million every month, and so I need to figure out other ways to maximize my profits, and using this strategy now versus later. Right now when I have less money than later when I have more is a good it's a good idea, honestly. And so another alternative, another way you can invest, and I plan on 20% of my portfolio and 20% of my income to be going to penny stocks. And so how am I going to do that? Well, obviously there's going to be a lot of research, a lot of stuff. There's companies that I'm looking into, like Leaf, Cerebral Therapeutics, and Camulate Products. They do photography products and other sorts of stuff online. But again, is it going to be something I'm going to hop in 100%? It's 20% of my portfolio. Why? Because I'm trying to learn now with less money than later with more. So ETFs, that's another 20%. Again, I'm not a really secure conservative person. I do believe that they will make me money. I just don't think that a 3% return is what I'm looking for. And so taking that risk is the best option for me. And this goes to independently on every single one of you. Like, if you don't want to take that risk in investing in penny stocks or investing in crypto or investing in these high volatile stocks or cryptocurrencies, then don't do it, because that shows that you're not willing to put that next step. And if you're not willing to give that first step, that next step is going to be harder when it's going down and it's time for you to put more money just to leverage. You're not going to be willing to do that. What you're going to be doing is cashing out. And so if you're going to be doing that, might as well don't take that first step. Might as well just stick with the dividends and stick with the growth stocks. They will make you money. They will make you, they will make you money. And it's way better than a savings account. However, it's not going to make you rich. It's only going to give you, if you do want to become rich super fast, if you do want to become a millionaire within a year, it's possible. Through stocks, you need money to invest. And so a lot of us are not millionaires because we're not millionaires. And so in order to be a millionaire, you need money to invest. And so the main focus and the fastest way that you can actually make money is not stocks, it's not crypto, it's actually starting a business, right? It's starting a business, taking your profit of $1,000, whatever you do, and flipping that into a $5,000 business, using those $5,000 and then reinvesting. So next time you take those initial $5,000, put it back, pay yourself back, use it again, do it 2 more times, use those profits, invest it in crypto, and then you have your initial start to start your business. Whether it's a company for painting, construction, is a whatever, it's a computer company, IT, iPhone repair, you cook, you make tortas, burritos, whatever it is that you do, you can make it into a business. And the percentage rate, the conversion rate could be 400, 500% higher than a 3, 14, 15% return. Even best day case scenario, 45% return on cryptocurrency. But again, you want a 300, 400% return, start a business, invest in yourself. It may take $1,000, but $1,000 will take you a long way. Find businesses that you can start with $100. Now you have $1,000 divided within 10 businesses, 100, 100, 100. Start a website, right? Choose one, look at one that's actually working out of those 10, look at which one's actually hitting, and then focus on one. Do what you need to focus and make sure you love it, because if you don't love it, it's just gonna be a job. And you hear this everywhere, but it really does become a job. So again, diversify. Another great way to, if you are really conservative, really, really secure investor and you do need results securely, gold and silver, right? And even then, I would just put it on crypto, because you're probably gonna make more. Again, it's just a digital coin versus a physical coin. Actual silver, which is backed up by actual silver, and gold backed up by actual gold. It's up to you guys. You guys tell me what you guys feel about it. And yeah, that was my plan. Dividend stocks, growth stocks, value stocks, crypto, penny stocks, ETFs. But the most important one and the highest conversion rate will actually be start your own business. All right, guys? That was it for today. My name is Alfonso Liz. This is the Wise Portfolio. And if you guys want to start your business, hit me up. You want some graphics and videos, some products, you do Amazon FBA, let me know. I can guide you guys in a variety of ways, not necessarily just marketing, not necessarily just finance. I'm here to help you guys in general. I love helping small businesses. My civic engagement for life is helping the minority start a business. It will build legacy. It will build confidence for your family. It will build wealth. All right, guys, till next time.